guys, tell them what we are doing here.
We are here to save the
Little Red.
That's right. Oh no, we are too late. This bad wolf has killed Red already. No!
You monstrous cannibal! How can you eat such an adoring girl?
Well, actually, cannibal is human eating human. He is a wolf, not even a human.
Whatever! You killed our little Red. Now you have to pay with your own life.
Guys, you have it all wrong. I didn't eat anything. Oh, I mean anyone. Please, I'm a changed creature. Please, believe me.
You're holding the Red Riding Hood in your hand. This is the evidence. 你休想狡辩。Let's revenge now!
Revenge! 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 Revenge!
Stop! I mean, 剑下留人. What are you guys doing here? Don't you dare to harm my friend.
Red, is this you? Thank God you're alive! We thought we've lost you!
Uncle Cuban?
Ah!
Why are you here? And why are you pointing arrows at Wolfgang?
Well, your mom heard that there's a big bad wolf wandering around your granny's house in the forest, so she texted me, asked me to check on you. And you!
Wolfgang is not that big bad wolf that you heard of. He is my friend. I'm fine, so don't worry.
Okay? As long as you are okay, we're going back to our hunting business then. Have a very Merry Christmas with your granny Little Red and Wolfgang.
Woof, 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 woof.
Let's go. Hey ho!